Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.